Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com, making this a small video as a mid-week recap. So let's get started. Trades taken from Monday to Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 3 days. So this is the first one on Sunday, on the 13th. It was closed on Sunday because the entry was on the previous Friday. And it closed for 100 pip here. Pound Aussie weakness was in the air. So on the 14th then, pound yen for 70 pip, buy order here. And USD yen was weak, so it was taking all yen pairs to the upside, 65 pip here on the 14th. On the 15th, pound CAD for 60 pip. On the 15th, USD CAD for 50 pip. And then again, pound yen, the second entry, the first one was here, and the second one is, you can see 70 pip here. And then again, there's another one. After this is a second one, and this is the third one on the 16th. It is a second one on the 16th, by the way. So buy order here and 405 pip. Pound Aussie again here, 400 pip on the 16th. It went up a lot more than that, but I closed here. And pound CAD, you can see on the 16th, buy order 75 pip. Then Aussie USD, because of the Aussie weakness, and went down all the way to 120 pip on the 16th. And here EUR-AUD, first time I couldn't catch it, but this time I caught it on the 16th, 425 pip. And last but not the least is gold. 20-minute chart from 1903 to 1892. It's sitting on the 1892 right now. So these are the trades, I think almost like 12 of them taken in 3 days using this system. So if you like what you saw, you want to get the system, you want to learn how to do it and how to use the system, then go to my website here, creativetrading.com, and subscribe either monthly, weekly, or not weekly, or for one-on-one, whatever you have here, everything, different programs here, and then one-on-one coaching as well. I want to mention one more thing, that this is the name of my website. I changed the name from My First Magic Wave to this Creative Trading Systems, and the only Telegram channel I have is under the name of Creative Trading System. That's the only Telegram channel I have. There are a couple of Telegram channel under my name using my old name, my channel name, which is this one, My First Magic Wave, and this picture. They are using my name and my picture and running fake Telegram channels. So please be aware of that and do not be a part of it. They are fraudsters using my name and my picture as well. I complained already to the Telegram, but so far they have not taken any action. So I don't know what to do. But yeah, this is what it is. And it's bad, but that's how it's happening. All right. So again, the only Telegram channel I have is under Creative Trading Systems. Right? That's it. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.